In the video today, I want to show you how to reset your Samsung Galaxy A17 back to factory settings. The first thing you want to do is swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on the settings wheel in the upper right corner. From here, you're going to swipe up and go to your accounts and backup. Go to manage accounts, and you want to tap on each of your Google accounts and you want to hit remove account. And you want to repeat that step for any other Google accounts you have on the phone, because if you don't, when you reset the phone, it will ask you to put in the password of those Google accounts. So you have to remove them. If not, you will brick the phone if you're trying to give the phone to someone else. Next, we're going to remove our Samsung account. I'm going to select it here and hit remove account. And there is a verification that usually happens first. So let's see, if I try to sign out, let's see, it may prompt. Here we go. So it wants to send a text message to the phone number I have on file. So I'm going to get that text and I'm going to input it. And then after, I need to put in the password for the account. Now, sometimes it's hard to remember the password because you might have set this account up a long time ago. One of the easiest ways to do this is to simply hit verify with one email. And they're going to send me an email to basically verify that I am trying to remove my Samsung account. Okay, I got the email on another phone, and I'm simply going to hit continue on that email. And now we are done. So if I go back to my settings, it'll show that I'm now signed out. And that's the main step you have to do before you trigger the reset. Next, we're going to tap on the reset button right at the bottom here. And then we'll swipe up and go to factory data reset. You're going to swipe up, hit reset. Now this is the last step. So once I hit delete all, I cannot go back from here. So the one thing I'll say before you initiate the full reset is make sure you have backed up any important information and make sure that you've signed out of all those accounts. That will make it a smooth process for the next person who uses the phone. Now we're going to hit delete all. From this point, it can take anywhere from a minute to about 5 minutes for it to erase all of your data from the phone and then to set it up like a brand new phone. So you don't want to touch the phone. You want to just let it sit. Another important note that I forgot to mention at the beginning is that your phone needs to be at 30% battery life or above, or it will not let you complete the reset. It doesn't want you to reset the phone in a state where the battery could die before it finishes. If it were to do that, that would mess up the phone and you may not be able to use it. So anyway, that is it, guys. This is the process of factory resetting your Samsung Galaxy A17. If you got value out of this video, bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.